Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to Erica English Channel. My name is Erica, and today we're going to master one of the most practical skills for real life, talking about phone conversations in English. Stay with me from start to finish because by the end you'll have clear phrases, confident rhythms, and calm strategies for every kind of call. Your voice can create trust, solve problems, and open doors. Let's make it shine on the phone. Phone conversations are different from face-to-face because people can't see your eyes, your smile, or your hand gestures. That means your tone, pace, and clarity do extra work to carry the message. I'll give you a simple formula called the 3C method: clarity, courtesy, concision. Clarity means simple words, strong verbs, and numbers spoken slowly. Courtesy means softeners, please, could, would you mind, and warm acknowledgments. Concision means getting to the point politely so you respect everyone's time. Smiling, let's start with opening the call like a pro. Practical, use this model: greeting, your name, purpose, check. Example: good morning, this is Erica from Erica English Channel. I'm calling to confirm tomorrow's lesson. Do you have a minute? Notice the question at the end. It shows respect and prepares the listener. If you're answering, smile with your voice and say, hello, this is Sam speaking. How can I help? Names are often hard to hear on the phone, so spell them clearly with letter anchors. Try, my name is Layla. L as in London, E as in Echo, I as in India, L as in London, A as in Apple. If you didn't catch the name, say, could you spell that for me slowly, please? Repeat it back to confirm and add warmth. Thank you, Layla. I appreciate it. Numbers matter, so use chunking to keep them clear. Say phone numbers in groups: +44 20 7123 4567 becomes +44 20 7123 4567. After you say numbers, pause for the other person to write. Confirm with, let me read that back to you to make sure I've got it right. When a call is formal, soften everything slightly. Use could I speak with instead of is there for professionalism. Say would now be a convenient time instead of do you have time to show care. End formal calls with thank you for your time today. I appreciate your help. For informal calls with friends or family, you can relax the structure but keep clarity. Start with, hey, it's Erica. Do you have a minute to talk about Saturday? If it's a bad time, accept it kindly. No problem at all. Let's try later. Warm tone, clear purpose equals friendly success. Sometimes you must leave a voicemail, so keep it short and useful. Use this template: name, reason, key detail, callback request, contact. Example: hi, this is Erica from Erica English Channel. I'm calling about the schedule for Monday at 10 a.m. Please call me back when convenient at 555-0132. Thank you. Speak a little slower than normal and repeat your number at the end. When you get transferred or put on hold, stay graceful and in control. Say, thank you. If we get disconnected, may I have your direct number? If the hold is long, ask, would it be possible to call me back instead? You are allowed to protect your time and your mood with polite boundaries. Bad connections happen, so use repair language instead of shouting. Try, I'm sorry, the line is breaking up. Could you repeat the last part slowly? Offer solutions like, let me move to a quieter place. One moment, please. If needed, suggest, shall we switch to a different number or send the details by text? Scheduling calls are common, so master a clear pattern. Say, are you available on Wednesday at 3 p.m. London time, which is 10 a.m. New York, to prevent confusion? Confirm with, great, I'll send a calendar invite and a brief agenda. Finish with, looking forward to speaking then. Thank you. Serious, let's craft small talk that feels kind and professional. Use safe topics: weather, commute, a recent public event, or shared project progress. Example: I hope your morning's going well. Did you have any trouble joining the call? Keep it short and then transition. Shall we jump into the main point? Now I'll give you signature openers for different purposes. Information request. Good afternoon. This is Erica. Could you help me with a quick question about my account? Follow-up. Hi again. Just checking we're still set for Friday's call at 2 p.m. Clarification. I want to make sure I understood. Did you say Tuesday the 21st? Each opener is friendly, focused, and easy to adapt. Complaints require calm structure so you get results without burning bridges. Try the CARE model. Calm tone, acknowledge facts, request solution, establish next step. Example, I'm calling with a concern. My order arrived damaged. Could you please arrange a replacement and email me the return label today? And with appreciation. Thanks for your help. I know these things happen. When you must say no on the phone, protect the relationship with no, because, alternative. Example, I can't join at 5 p.m. because I'm teaching. Could we do 6 p.m. or tomorrow morning? This keeps doors open while being honest about limits. Boundaries spoken kindly are a gift to both sides. If the caller is upset, use a slow voice and reflective listening. Say, I hear that you're frustrated about the delay, and I want to help. May I confirm a few details? Then summarize. So the issue is the missing invoice from last week. Did I get that right? Move to solutions. Here are two options. Would you prefer a resend today or a callback wachwinity? Smiling, let's prepare 5 golden closings that sound polished. Thanks for your time. So to confirm, I'll email the file today and call you Friday. I appreciate your help. Expect my message within the hour. Great speaking with you. See you on Zoom at 2. Thanks for calling. I'll wait for your confirmation email. Have a good day. Take care and talk soon. Serious, now let's simulate a complete call flow you can shadow line by line. Opening. Good afternoon. This is Erica from Erica English Channel. Do you have a minute to discuss next week's schedule? Purpose. I'm calling to confirm the Tuesday session at 11 a.m. and to check if you received the outline. Clarify. If Tuesday doesn't work, I can offer Wednesday at the same time. Negotiate. Perfect. Let's do Wednesday at 11. Thank you. Close. I'll send an invite and the materials. Thanks for your time. Talk soon. Many learners ask, how fast should I speak on the phone? So let's set a target. Aim for 125 to 140 words per minute with clear pauses between ideas. Imagine each comma as a tiny breath and each period as a micro reset. This pace sounds confident, friendly, and easy to follow. Pronunciation matters more without video, so focus on danger sounds. Practice pairs like th in think sync, pb in pack back, and vw in very wary. On the phone, over-articulate slightly. Crisp consonants are your best friends. Record yourself reading numbers and names to catch weak spots. Smiling, next, master email plus phone teamwork for perfect follow-through. After a call, send a 1-minute summary. Great call. Here are the actions. I'll send the draft today. You'll review by Thursday. We'll meet Friday 2 p.m. This small habit prevents confusion and builds trust fast. Clear notes are proof of your professionalism and care. When calling internationally, confirm time zones and formats. Say, let's meet on 21 October at 1500 London time. That's 10 New York. Does that work? Avoid confusion by using the 24-hour clock or repeating the time zone. Kind clarity saves everyone's energy. Here are 10 high-value phrases to keep in your pocket. Practical. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Practical. Would you mind repeating the last part? Practical. Let me make sure I understood that correctly. Practical. May I put you on hold for a moment while I check? Practical. Thank you for waiting. I appreciate your patience. Practical. I'll follow up by email right after this call. Could we move this conversation to video for the demo? What would be a good time for me to call you back? I'll read that number back to you to confirm. It's been great speaking with you. Have a wonderful day. Serious. Let's practice difficult scenarios you can handle with grace. Scenario 1, the double booking. I just noticed we scheduled 2 meetings at the same time. Could we move ours to tomorrow at 11? Scenario 2, the missing file. I'm sorry, I can't find the attachment. Would you mind resending it while we're on the line? Scenario 3, the wrong person. I think I may have the wrong extension. Could you direct me to billing, please? Scenario 4, the late start. Thank you for waiting. Shall we begin now, or would you prefer to reschedule? Scenario 5, the angry customer. I'm sorry for the frustration. Let's fix this together. Could you walk me through the steps you took? Smiling. For sales or requests, use benefits before details. Try, I'm calling because I think this update could save your team 2 hours a week. Would you like a quick overview? Then give a 1-sentence value, a 1-minute summary, and ask a yes, no, or either or question. Make it easy for people to say yes to clarity. Serious. If you need to escalate a problem, stay respectful and specific. Say, thank you for your help. May I please speak with a supervisor to resolve this today? Give facts with timestamps and your preferred outcome. Calm and with appreciation even when the path is slow. Smiling. Now a shadowing workout. Repeat after me with calm breath and bright tone. Practical. Good afternoon. This is Erica. Do you have a moment? Practical. Could you repeat that a little more slowly, please? Practical. Let me read that back to you to confirm. Practical. I'll follow up by email right after this call. Practical. Thanks for your time today. Talk soon. Serious. To keep your energy steady, use a pre-call checklist. Stand or sit tall so your lungs have space and your voice has power. Smile lightly. The listener can hear it even without video. Keep water nearby and slow your first sentence to set the rhythm. One calm opener can rescue an entire conversation. Smiling. Let's design mini scripts you can customize for daily life. Delivery. Hello, this is Erica. I'm calling about my package ending in 482. It shows delivered, but I don't see it. Could you help me track it? Doctor's appointment. Good morning. This is Erica. I'd like to schedule a checkup for next week. Are there any openings on Wednesday? School office. Hi, this is Erica. Could you confirm the parent meeting time for Thursday? Bank. Hello, Erica speaking. I'd like to verify a transaction on my account. Could you help me review the last 5 charges? Friend plan. Hey, it's Erica. Coffee this Saturday at 3? Does that work? Serious. When you take messages for someone, capture the essentials cleanly. Ask for name, company, number, reason, and best time to call back. Repeat the details and say, I'll pass this on right away. Thank you for calling. Good messages save time and prevent missed opportunities. Smiling. If you ever freeze on a call, use my rescue trio. Practical. Sentence 1, could you give me a moment to pull that up? To buy time. Practical. Sentence 2, thank you for waiting. Here's what I can do right now. Practical. Sentence 3, I'll confirm the rest by email within the hour. Serious. Remember that listening is half the conversation, so practice silent signals. Practical. Use small sounds. I see. Right. To show presence. Paraphrase occasionally. So you'd like the draft by Friday? Did I get that right? These tiny habits build trust faster than big speeches. Smiling. To avoid misunderstandings, use signposting while you speak. Say 3 quick points, timeline, budget, next steps, before you explain. After each point, pause for a second to let the listener catch up. Signposts make you sound organized and kind. Serious. Let's craft language for ending calls on time without sounding cold. Try, I have 2 minutes left. Shall we confirm the action items and wrap up? Then summarize and appreciate. Perfect. Thanks again for your time today. You controlled the clock with grace, not pressure. Here's a 1-week phone fluency plan to lock in your progress. Day 1, read numbers aloud, in chunks, 5 minutes of practice. Day 2, record your spelling of names with anchors and listen back. Day 3, practice 5 openers and 5 closings until they feel natural. Day 4, shadow the repair lines for bad connections. Day 5, role play a complaint using the CARE model. Day 6, make a real scheduling call using time zones correctly. Day 7, review your notes and create 2 new mini-scripts. Small daily practice beats big, rare practice every time. Finally, let's stitch everything together in a polished master script you can adapt. Hello, this is Erica from Erica English Channel. Do you have a moment to talk about next Tuesday's session? Wonderful! My purpose is to confirm the time and share a 2-point agenda. First, we'll review the outline. Second, we'll set milestones for the month. If Tuesday 11 doesn't work, I'm free Wednesday at the same time. What's best for you? Great! Wednesday 11 it is. Let me read your email to confirm. erica@channel.com. Perfect. I'll send the invite now and follow up with the materials. Thanks so much for your time today. You did it! Your phone English is now clearer, kinder, and more confident. Remember the 3C method: clarity, courtesy, concision, and you'll handle any call with grace. Keep your breath slow, your tone warm, and your words simple. I'm proud of your progress today, and I believe your next call will feel easier and sound brighter. Thank you for listening to Erica English Channel, and thank you for trusting me with your practice. Until next time, speak clearly, care deeply, and keep building your future one calm call at a time.